So students, as you know that the time was over 40 minutes, that's why I started once again your classes. And as I promised you that I will finish this chapter today. So that's why I'm working. So you are able to see the screen right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next topic is Java mathematical expression. So these are very simple topics. How you will use this mathematical expression. Suppose if someone has written key root x, how you will write the root x in Java. So suppose someone says that I have x value 2. So write a program to get the value of root x in Java. So you will write math. What you will write? Math dot, what is the method? Sqrt, I think. S Q R T, and what you will do?
Bracket.
Bracket. Okay. It is not writing basically. That's where the problem is. SQRT, and there will be bracket, and you will pass what things you will draw? X, and
X.
in the website you will give the X values. Am I right, everyone? Everyone, I need everyone's response.
Yes.
Where are others? Why you not responding, girls? That means you are not getting.
Yes, sir.
Everyone are getting what I'm saying. Gulista, you also.
Yes.
Gulista, Priyanka, Gulista, Muskan, Mansi. Everyone's concept is clear.
Yes.
Okay. So if someone asks Z cube, then what you will write? Math dot power POW and Z comma 3. So Z means the base and 3 means power. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
The first argument is base and the second argument is power. If someone will ask you, this is cube root. So you will write math dot CBRT and CBRT, and
Z.
you will pass Z comma 3. What you will pass?
Z, comma 3.
Very good. And next one, mod x. So math dot abs, and you will pass x. This is mod x, means absolute value. Is it clear?
Yes.
So you will read it mod x. What you will read? Mod, mod, mod.
Mod X.
Next one, if someone says solve this mathematical expression in Java, so you will write R equal to A multiply A plus B multiply B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Achha, you can also use mathematical function like math dot POW A comma 2 plus math dot POW B comma 2. Can you do this thing or not?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely you can do. But this is the very easy way. R equal to A
Yes.
multiply A, B multiply B. Okay? Next one.
Yes, sir.
Y equal to AX cube plus BX plus C. You can use these two methods. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. C equal to root A square plus B square. C equal to math dot SQRT, because this complete, this is complete root A square plus B square is SQRT. So you will write math dot SQRT in between A multiply A plus B multiply B. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
And how this will write? Z equal to X multiply P math dot POW 2 comma Y. Is it right?
Yes.
Next, this is Sridharachar rule. Do you know Sridharachar?
Yes, sir.
Minus B.
Quadratic formula.
Okay, okay. I know, I also teach mathematics. So, and you know, those, if your mathematics is good, then your programming will be good, because programming is totally dependent on mathematics. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
So x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But it is given the only the second root minus b minus. So how you will do this? Minus b minus sqrt b sqrt math dot
B.
sqrt b multiply b minus 4 multiply a multiply c divide
Whole
by
by.
2 multiply a.
Yes.
And how you will write this one? How you will write this one? Math dot cbrt. Till again bracket, you will write math dot pow x comma y plus x. You just see here.
Yes, yes.
Girls, this is clear.
Yes.
I need response from everyone. What is the response of yours? Everyone, please.
Sir, please explain last step. V bracket 1 minus e to the power minus t.
Okay. So for this one, you will write here math 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 dot. Okay, let me open the word because
Yes.
it is taking time. You will write math math dot cbrt bracket.
Sir, this one not.
Next one, this
Sir,
one.
last one. V
Okay,
to the
okay,
V into 1 minus.
okay. Let me explain for the girls. Math dot cbrt. Then again there is x power y. Though you will write. Samya is joining. Math dot. What is this one? Power. POW and x comma y. Then plus x. Girls, can you understand what I am written? Girls, please respond me. Arkita man, please respond me if you are getting a note. Girls, please, humble request, beta, humble request. Response me. No girls are responding, they are getting or not.
Not getting.
Not getting. Arpita, do you know how you will write this one? This is completely cube root. So first you will write math.cbrt. So I have written, where I have written this one. Math.cbrt, then first bracket. Then inside this one, you have again x per power y. So x per power y, you can, how you will write x power y? Math.pow and x comma y. So I have written same thing. You just watch math.pow x comma y, and after that there is plus x. So I have written plus x and bracket close. Right now you got?
Yes.
Any confusion? If anyone is having, then please tell me. No. No.
No, sir. But last step.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. We multiply 1 minus e power 2. So how you will write? We multiply bracket 1 minus math dot exp. Exp is called exponent. Do you know in mathematics exponent? I already explained in Java also. Exponent means 10 power. Exponent. It is represented by e. It is represented by e, and there is a function for exponent in Java, exp. What is the function?
EXP math dot EXP.
There is a function name exp. This is a static function, so you will call it math dot exp, and you will just write minus t the power. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Now clear.
Okay, next, area equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r. I think this is we should know
Yes,
this.
yes.
In Java there are a static variable pi. So you can say this. This is static, static, static variable, and it is constant. So you know that a variable which are constant, how you will write? What is the naming convention?
First we will write final and then after name of the variable.
Why you are telling extra? What I said to you? How you will write a constant variable? What is the naming convention? I said to you. I already explained to you the constant variable. How you will write the constant variable? Naming convention. I think you do not remember. You remember? Remember or not? You remember or not? Saurabh, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
What is the naming convention?
Sir, naming conventions about like identifiers and
Again,
variable.
naming convention of constant. I said this thing. Do you know or not?
Yes. No, sir, forget.
Okay, I said to you, a constant is just like a variable in Java, but the differences is its value cannot be changed. So, how you can differentiate to write a constant and variable, because they are both are same thing, but the constant value is not changed. This is only one difference. So that the differences is you will write a constant in capital letter. Every letter will be in the capital. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
So static, static variable is called by the class name. So there is a constant pi. What is the constant
Yes.
variable?
Pi.
Pi. So because this is constant, so everything will be written in capital. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you just watch here, PDF. Math.py. Am I right? Because this is a static variable, so this is called by the class name. Clear right now?
Yes, sir.
Multiply r plus 2 multiply math.py. Again here is pi, so math.py. Multiply r, multiply h. I think right now it is clear. Just watch this one. Area equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Is it clear? Clear, Saurabh?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how you will write mod m plus mod n? Math.abs m plus math.abs n.
Yes.
How you will write this one? Math.abs, फिर again bracket math.pow and p comma y minus y. This one. I think these are very simple. And every others you can do or not? Can you do? Can you do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Write a program to read a number via the scanner class and display its square, cube, and square root and cube root. It's very simple. First, you need to import the scanner class. Then you will need to write a class. Then, for getting the number, enter the number. The user enter an integer number, and you got it in the number. And you have to find the power. So power you will write 2. You know, for the power you need to write 2. For the square root, no. For the cube, you need to write here 3. Array, you know power, na? 2 power 2, 2
Yes.
power 3.
Yes.
So but the function is same, but this only this power will be changed. Is it clear?
Yes.
So you will write math.power number comma 3 for getting the cube, and for getting the square, the number comma 2 here will be 2. Is it clear
Yes.
right now? I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So what does it mean? It means number power 2 and it means number power 3. Is it clear?
Yes.
So suppose a user is input 4.
Yes.
So 4 power 2 and 4 power 3 will be the answer. I think girls is also cleared. What about girls? What about girls? Girls, Muskan, Arpita, Mansi, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Any problem?
No.
Arpita? Arpita, Mansi, Priyanka. Okay, you can watch the video. So if you face any problem, then watch my videos again. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, math.sq
Yes.
sqrt means square root. So if a user is passing 4, then you will get answer 2. If a user is passing 8, then you will get the answer this CBRT 2. Is it clear? CBRT means cube root.
Yes.
Array,
Yes.
this is cube root. Here will be 3. I think you know. Here will be 3.
Yes.
And this is
3.
and here will be 2. Then it is square root. You know or not?
Square root. No.
You don't know? You don't know?
No, sir. We know.
Okay. So next
No,
one.
sir. We know.
Acha, program to read 2 numbers via the scanner class and demonstrate various mathematical library methods. So I think you can do these things. Can you write these programs? I'm talking to everyone. Can you write this program? Program to read 2 numbers via the scanner class and demonstrate via mathematical library method. That means you read the 2 numbers and you will do all the mathematical library functions. You will use all math functions. You will use all math functions. Can you do this thing? Can you do?
Yes, we try.
Scan down next double, you get the double number. Scan down next double, you get second double number. Then you will do absolute number, round number, seal, floor, absolute, round, seal, floor. It's very easy. Easy or not? Easy or not, beta? This is very easy.
Easy.
So I'm ending this session, and if you face any problem, then you must watch the videos. I will share this video in the group also. Thank you.